Hi guys, good morning. No, it's actually afternoon. My bad. Pardon me. We have a lot of things to unbox, so let's do it. See, this place is filled with packages. Yes, thank you, please. I need a scissors actually for some things. So I ordered these things from Temu. Thank you. I ordered them from Temu. I have to be really fast because I have a lot of things to do today. What is this? Oh, did I order anything like this? Okay. These are pillowcases for Favor and Blessings room. Yeah.
Thanks, Mom.
So cute. Mwah. And this is what? Another pillow cover. Is this for Joshua and Caleb's room or for my room? I will figure it out.
Okay.
All right. What is this? Oh, this is exactly what I'm wearing. Not the same pattern. This one has a apple-shaped pocket, like so. But this one is different. Also, the color is different. See it on the screen, what it looks like. Yes. So I'm not going to open it because I already know what it is. So why open it? And then I bought this set of hanger. What is this? Favor, help me open this. This is the pack. Open it for me. You can come and sit here or stay there. Yes. This is the same thing as the previous one. I feel like something is in my eyes or my eyelashes. The same thing but color difference. This one is beige, the other one is gray, like the color of my overall winter wear. And what is this? What is this? Okay, yes, because you guys remember the first unboxing. See, they gave me the same thing again, although this one is just a tiny bit larger than that one, the previous one. The other time I unboxed the packages I ordered from Temu, I ordered this thing for myself, but they brought the one that is like Favor size, and Favor has been the one wearing it. So I went back and ordered another one. They brought almost the same thing, just that this one is a bit bigger. Yes, larger. Yeah, this one will fit or size me. So what is this? What is this? Oh, this is that's the charger that fell down. This is what is it called again? Hair straightener. So this is what it looks like.
Oh my God.
This one is a lot easier, like, and it doesn't have a cord. It's wireless. You can just charge it and then use it to be combing your hair. I don't need to be dragging wire up and down. Plus, it's very compact, like very, very small. And Favor can even use it and comb her hair by herself.
Wow.
So this is the USB charger, the wire. It doesn't come with the actual charger head, whatever. I know you want to hold this one. All right, so next is that dress my hubby ordered on Temu that we made a video on some time ago. If you have been watching my videos, this is the dress. I'll probably try it on for you guys later, not in this video, okay? But I just wanted to let you know. This one is empty. Here we have another pack. What do we have here? Oh, carpet. Is this for the bathroom or for the kitchen? This one is for the bathroom. You know all those bathroom mats? Yes, There's the one that has this. I'll put the picture on the screen. I don't have strength to explain. Okay. So they came in 3 packs. No, this one is actually different. But this one, I think it's 3 in 1. I'm not sure yet, but I'll open them later. And this bag is empty. What is this? Oh, I think these are the dining chair covers. Yes. Dining chair covers. I'll put it on the screen. Hey, wait. This one, we'll do this one last. And then so you see, these are juice bottles. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 24 pieces. 12 here, 12 here. Right? So we are going to be juicing. By now, I'm sure you must have guessed why I said let me keep that one for the last, because obviously with this thing you already know what the other pack is, right? Now this one, okay, this is a gift. Actually, this is a gift. It's super cute, you guys. So cute. This is water flask or tea flask, whatever liquid you want to pour here, it will contain it. And it has a straw, like you open it from here and you sip. When you are done, you cover it up, and then here is the handle. I love it. It's a Christmas gift. That's scissors. Do you know I didn't even use it for once? I don't actually need it, mommy. Go and put it back in the drawer. No, that one is not for the kitchen. Go to the bathroom and keep it there. Oh, come, mommy, come. I think I need it. Give me. Thank you. Guys, sorry that I'm backing you. I needed that chair to support me. Can you see it? Oh. Favor, come. Hold the cat up. Like be dragging it. Keep going back. The packaging, malicious packaging. These are some of the compartments that it came with. I hope I don't misplace anything. This is the cup. Joe Bobo, come and stand here. Carry this thing with your 2 hands. This is the brush that I used to wash it. This is the cup. This is this the machine or the cup? Can you guys see that?
Wow.
We are going to be drinking fresh juice. And here is the engine. I'm going to insert a picture so you can see when it is properly assembled what it looks like. So yes guys,
No, there's last one there.
what last one? This is from here now.
At the back of the case, but underneath.
What?
Underneath the case, but straight.
Oh yes, it's true. The main cocoa. The one keeping all these things, I hope I don't misplace them. If you didn't say it. So this one, do I really need to open it up here?
Yeah, because
But you can see it from the picture now. See it there. So that is what we have inside here. I'm actually going to use this thing now, which is the main reason I started this unboxing in the first place, and the same reason, the same thing I'm forgetting. Does that make sense? Here are all that it came with. Oopsie. Oopsie la la. I cannot wait to use it. So yes, that's it. We have a lot to clean up here. Like everywhere is a mess. Yeah, thanks guys. See, we have a lot to clean.